Hi, this is Eugenie from Super Simple Woodworking with Eugenie. Today I'm going to show you how to carve a daisy. This is a simple pattern. I'm going to do it with a handheld rotary tool and a 5/16 carving bit. And I have my blower installed on the table. If you don't have a blower, this kind of carving makes a lot of dust, so you should install a shop vac near you to pick up the dust. Okay, so I'm going to turn on my blower. Okay, so now I've carved my daisy. It looks a bit rough, but I'm going to sand it and it's going to look great. Okay, so now I'm going to sand the top of the bench. Dust it off. All right, and this is my carved daisy. So I'm using this this time. This is what I used to make this little bench. And I painted it, but you take white and yellow paint and you dip one side of the brush in white, one side of the brush in yellow, and you just make little things like this. And that's how I painted the daisy. And the same thing for the leaves. And that's how to carve a daisy. Thank you. Have a nice day.